Hi, I'm Stephanie from Making It Australia, and today I'm going to show you how to get your kids ready for school with personalised pencil cases. So Spotlight has these really nice blank pencil cases that you can use to design anything you like on it. So I'll be using those today. So I'm going to use the Cricut Design Space and choose the Stay Positive. And now you can enlarge this or make it smaller, but I'm going to keep the size because I know that size looks really nice on this pencil case. So all I need to do is click onto this mirror part here because we want it to face the right way when we iron it on. So what you want to do is pick the color you like. So I picked purple. So what I'm going to do now is put the shiny side down. I'm going to place it at the top. So I'm just going to grab my Cricut gadget and press down to take out any air bubbles so it's nice and flat. Now what you want to do is actually put your mat into your machine and press the load button. And what it's going to do now is measure to make sure you have enough material for your design. I need to tell the Cricut machine what material I'm using, so I'm just going to click onto the iron on. Now I'm going to press go. Now I've got my design that's already cut out. I'm just going to peel it off. Now with my weeding tool, I'm just going to weed out all the parts that need to come out for this design. It's a lot of fun weeding. This is something the kids can actually do, weeding. Or mine do anyway. Kids like to express who they are, so it's really nice that Cricut gives you the opportunity to make your own designs. So I just finished weeding my Stay Positive. So it's the wrong way like that, but if I turn it this way, it's the right way. So I'm just going to get my Easy Press ready now, and I'll see you in just a bit. So while that's heating up, I'm just going to get my materials ready. So this is the pencil cases that you can get from Spotlight. And all I'm going to do is put a piece of cardboard inside the pencil case, and that will keep the surface nice and smooth. So I'm going to put this on my Easy Press mat, and I'm going to use a lint roller to take off any dust or lint that's on my pencil case. So just a few rolls over that. Now what you're going to want to do is get some butcher paper, cover your pencil case, and we want to heat up the pencil case before we iron on our design. So with the Easy Press, I'm going to put it on top of the pencil case for 30 seconds and it will count down. Okay, it's beeped, it's ready. So I'm going to move the Easy Press. So our pencil case is ready now. So I'm going to get my design and put it down where I want it to be. I want it centered. So I'm going to put it nice in the middle, and I'm going to put the butcher paper back on top. And again, with the Easy Press, another 30 seconds. 30 seconds is up. Now I'll take off the butcher paper, let it cool down before we actually peel it off. So now I'm going to pull off the plastic and have a look at our design. Look at that, that is beautiful. You can go into your Spotlight stores and choose different colors, add trimmings to it, personalize it even more and put the kids' names on top. There's so many things you can do. The possibilities are endless. And don't forget, at Spotlight, it's what you make it.